Welcome to Street Need. I've had a couple of requests for people asking me, showing how do I do unpicking of an old panel. We're doing a replacement cowl panel on this HZ Holden ute. What I do is I cut away the bulk of everything first. So these pieces are all ready to come out. You can see all the rust underneath. And hopefully this one's free. Yep. And you can see the importance of unpicking panels because you can see all the crap that's left underneath and all the rust. So this one's getting a new cowl panel, which I have sitting here. Show you. So this is the replacement cowl panel. These are excellent, absolutely excellent fit. But we're also going to do the plenum chamber. We're replacing that as well. So once you've removed the bulk, get rid of the tools out of the way so you're not going to fall down. I use a purpose-made spot weld splitter. It's a proper panel beating tool you can buy. It's made of hard steel. It's got a nice cutting edge and everything on it. You can start your splitting with the tip, and you can hit it either there or you can hit it on the end. I'll just show you. I'm taking all this apart in pieces, but now, you've got to keep it sort of reasonably flat to the panel that you're taking off underneath, otherwise you're going to fill it full of dents. Once you've got a bit of a start, you can come in from a couple of directions and you'll find that spot welds split away pretty easily. And then you just keep moving along. I've made a score cut with the 1mm cut-off disc. Now the score cut acts as tear along the dotted line sort of thing. You should probably wear gloves when you're doing this. I've got pretty tough old goat hands, so I'm reasonably resistant to cutting, but you can cut yourself, so probably wear the right gear. So what you'll find is if you can't cut from one direction, you can actually start somewhere else and come back. And basically, it's just a process of just keep on going along doing that. And we'll do that along all these edges. This panel is actually being replaced, but there's a really good reason why I preserve everything as I go. It's so I've got datum points. It's so that I've got something to refer back to. If you don't leave yourself bits and pieces and do it as an archaeological dig, you can end up in a bit of strife. You can end up with, oh, I wasn't supposed to take that piece out. Oh, where does that bracket go? So generally go easy and just take away the parts layer by layer. Always do it as a layer approach. Okay, not terribly exciting, but I was asked to make this video, so hopefully that helps. You can drill out with a spot weld, and you can come back later with a spot weld drill bit. You can do that. I prefer to only drill out spot welds if I absolutely have to, because they're quite tedious. So you can go through and clean these little bags up with a linen shat or a flat disc grinder, and that's if you were saving that, but we're going to be taking all of this out. This dash comes out as well. Okay, so thanks for watching.